access code in your email and you've entered it in, you'll click on the free option. It'll give you all different types of plans through Creately that are, paying plans, but click on the free one and it'll load. It might take a minute. Mine took at least probably a minute. And then you'll get this screen and you'll go ahead and work on education. That's what you plan on using it for. And you guys will say, of course, student. I'll just do it from your view. And what will you use it for? Just planning and organizing. Okay, and we'll go ahead and start now. So you're going to use that sheet that you've already created, okay? And the idea is you're going to be creating your own food web using the organisms, the animals that you had in your sheet, okay? And so from this screen, to be honest with you guys, this is the first time I've used this one. We're going to go ahead and click on a blank one, okay? And so I'm going to work on building this together with you guys to just kind of show you what this looks like, okay? And so you've got your dashboard, which you shouldn't need to use at all, or folders. We're not going to be doing a whole bunch of these. We're just going to do one, and this is just kind of a one-time thing, okay? And so this should be fairly quick, fairly simple, but I'm clicked on shapes here, and we're going to be using the same shapes each time to go ahead and put in our organisms for our food web, okay? So honestly, I don't really mind whatever shape you want to use. I'm just going to click on a rounded rectangle, okay? And I'll go ahead and insert that. I don't know how to do that. Let me click off of this little box. Okay. Gonna drag it and drop. Did that? Yeah, that did it for me. Okay, so now what we can do is we can go ahead and I'm gonna put this at the top, and I'm going to title this food web. Okay, so say I'm doing one for Denali National Park. Okay, Denali National Park food web. Okay, I can just do something like that. Of course, you can change that font how you'd like to. Making it larger, making it smaller. I'm just going to leave it like that for now, and maybe we'll go back later and do that. Now, from here, I'm going to go back to my shapes, and I'll use some more of these. I'll use more rectangles, okay? You can change your color if you'd like. Maybe you want it green. Maybe you'd like to change the text. As far as how you want it, size, shape, whatever, font. In this case, I'll just go ahead and start typing. And as I did earlier, I did a sea otter in class with you guys. Whoops. I'm going to go ahead and edit text. My 5-year-old fell and cut his hand open, so that's what you're hearing right now is him upset about his hand. And I'm going to write sea otter, okay? So that was my animal that I did, and I want to be mindful of where I'm going to put these. So we only shortly worked with food webs and putting different organisms in there. And I'm going to show you the setup of this. But if you can get your 14 organisms out here, each one with its own little box and text written in there. Say I put sea stars, okay? You can do that. Then you can kind of tidy it up by making these the right size. You don't really need them to be as big as that one was. Okay, this will keep it nice and simple. Go ahead and do that for all 11 of your organisms. I asked you to list out 10 on your worksheet, and then I wanted you to do, of course, your organism, because your Alaskan animal needs to be a part of this ecosystem, okay? So go ahead and do that, and then once you're done with that, watch the next video.